cybersecurity, adaptation of 3D printing,
advancements in robotics,
cybersecurity,
3D printing,
robot-assisted
Hottest technologies these days is 3D printers, which can make main 3D printer
using a
generator.
3D printed.
Have you ever wished to create complex industrial tools quickly and inexpensively? Or have you dreamed of building a house or an office in merely 21 days? It may seem impossible, but what if we told you it's now a reality? Hello everyone and welcome to the realm of 3D printing where imagination meets innovation. Picture this, a team of visionaries armed with nothing but a blueprint and a cutting-edge printer, embarking on a journey to defy the boundaries of traditional construction. Their mission to revolutionize the way we build one layer at a time. Join us as we unravel the tales of creativity and perseverance that have made 3D printing a cornerstone of modern engineering. From the awe-inspiring achievement of Tavasta, who sculpted India's first 3D printed house in merely 21 days, to the Bengaluru's 3D printed post office erected in just 43 days, at a fraction of cost, saving 30 to 40% compared to traditional methods. Each story is a testament to boundless possibilities of this revolutionary technology. So buckle up as we will be covering many interesting facts about 3D printing. "3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, creates three-dimensional objects by depositing material layer by layer based on a digital model. Unlike traditional subtracting manufacturing methods where the material is removed from a solid block, 3D printing builds objects from the ground up, allowing for highly complex shapes and designs.
We're developing a new technology for designers who use CAD/CAM computers. This is so that the designer can directly make a prototype from the image that he has on the screen of his terminal. We call this technology stereolithography or three-dimensional printing.
Did you know that the foundation of modern 3D printing was laid by two revolutionary technologies? In 1984, Chuck Hull introduced stereolithography, which uses UV laser to solidify layers of liquid resin, while in 1988, S. Scott Crumb unveiled fused deposition modeling, which extrudes thermoplastic filament through a heated nozzle to create durable functional prototypes. The combination of these two technologies gave birth to the world of 3D printing as we know it today. Stepping into the present day, where 3D printing is no longer confined to the realms of science fiction, let's take a journey together and explore how this revolutionary technology is transforming industries. The entertainment industry is undergoing a revolution, and 3D printing is leading the charge. From creating intricate costumes and props for blockbuster movies like Iron Man and Avatar, to bringing beloved characters to life with stunning details and realism in theme parks and movies. Companies like Legacy Effects and Disney are utilizing this technology to enhance the immersive experience for audiences around the world. The medical industry is revolutionizing the patient care with the adaptation of 3D printing technology. From custom prosthetics to personalized implants and surgical guides, 3D printing is transforming lives with precision medicine and faster recovery times. Companies like Organovo are even creating functional human tissues for drug testing and regenerative medicine applications. In a groundbreaking surgery, Indian doctors at Gurugram's Medanta implanted a 3D printed titanium vertebrate in a woman, only the third surgery of its kind in the world. The new technology is transforming the medical industry and improving patient outcomes. Moving forward towards the architecture industry, Did you know that Bangalore is now home to a stunning 3D printed post office building that was built in just 43 days? LMT and IIT Madras made this groundbreaking feat possible, and it boasts a whopping 1,021 square feet. The building's intricate layers showcase the immense power of 3D printing, making it a masterpiece of modern architecture. Meanwhile, Dubai has set a new benchmark with its futuristic Office of the Future, the world's first fully operational 3D printed building. Constructed using a 20-foot tall 3D printer, this landmark structure highlights Dubai's commitment to pioneering technology and sustainable building methods. The world's first 3D printed temple was built in Siddipet, Telangana in around 3 months. The temple is 35.5 feet tall and has a total area of 4,000 square feet. It features 3 scantums dedicated to Lord Ganesha, Lord Shankar and Goddess Parvati. The project was in collaboration with Hyderabad Apsuja Infratech and Simply Forged Creations and showcased the potential of 3D printing in challenging terrains and disaster-hit areas.
In the manufacturing unit, from aerospace to automotive, 3D printing is transforming the manufacturing landscape. Companies such as Airbus has incorporated 3D printed parts into its aircraft, such as cabin components and engine parts to enhance the performance and reduce weight. Tata Motors integrates 3D printing to innovate in vehicle design and manufacturing, rapidly prototyping new concepts and producing custom parts to enhance performance and customization options for their customers. The electronic industry is advancing at lightning speed, and with 3D printing technology, the possibilities are limitless. Divide by Zero Technologies, based in India, is leading the charge with its industrial grade 3D printers. They specialize in rapid prototyping and manufacturing for electronics, creating precision components and circuit boards with ease. The future of 3D printing is even more exciting. With the potential for personalized healthcare to space exploration, this technology has the potential to revolutionize the industries and inspire creativity globally. Imagine a world where 3D printers can fashion objects from eco-friendly material like biodegradable plastics and even edible substances. And what about a future where every product is a unique expression of individuality tailored to your personal preferences? Think custom fitted 3D printed shoes like Adidas Futurecraft 4D. And did you hear about NASA's breakthrough with a 3D printed rocket engine component? It's clear that 3D printing is a cornerstone in the construction of extraterrestrial habitats and infrastructure. Plus, the potential for biomedical breakthrough is mind-blowing. Picture fabricating patient-specific organs and tissues. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. 3D printer can transform recycled material into functional artifacts, empowering communities to combat plastic pollution.
3D printing isn't just about creating objects, it's about shaping the future we will embrace together. With each advancement, we are experiencing a seismic shift with how we create, interact, and innovate. This is a fundamental change in perspective, unlocking the endless possibilities and reshaping the way we navigate reality. Let's seize the moment, embrace the power of 3D printing, and sculpt a future limited only by the bounds of our imaginations.